everyone, welcome to Live Nourished Today. We're so excited to share some amazing healthy food ideas and fun facts about Christmas traditions. Whether you're in the kitchen or just looking for a healthy holiday inspiration, today's episode is packed with goodness. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe button. Now let's jump right in. Did you know that some Christmas traditions started with healthy foods? Long before candy canes and chocolate, fruits like oranges and dried fruits were considered luxury treats. Families would hang oranges on trees as decorations, and these bright fruits symbolize health and prosperity for the coming year. Nuts, like walnuts and almonds, were also a big part of Christmas celebrations, offering a healthy, energy-packed snack for those cold winter nights. Now, let's talk about how we can bring that healthful spirit into our kitchens today. For example, instead of sugary cookies, you can bake gingerbread with whole wheat flour. Or try making a warm cup of mulled apple juice with cinnamon and cloves. It's not just delicious, but also great for staying warm and cozy. Alright, now it's your turn. How well do you know your Christmas foods? I've got 10 fun quiz questions ready for you. Are you ready? Grab your family and let's play! What fruit is often used to decorate Christmas cakes? Apple, cherry, or orange? The correct answer is cherry. Which nut is known as the king of Christmas snacks? Walnut, peanut, or cashew? The walnut is known as the king of Christmas snacks. Which vegetable is famous for being on the Christmas dinner table in many countries? Brussels sprouts, broccoli, or carrots? Brussels sprouts. What drink is made with milk, eggs, and spices and is popular at Christmas? Eggnog, hot chocolate, or orange juice? The correct answer is eggnog. Looking for a last-minute stocking stuffer? This Christmas coloring book is fun and engaging, great for kids and adults alike. Order it today on Etsy. The link is in the caption below. What healthy treat was hung on trees in the past and later became part of stockings? Candy canes, oranges, or bananas? The correct answer is oranges. Which dried fruit is often found in Christmas puddings? Raisins, dates, or figs? If you guessed raisins, you're correct. What is a healthy alternative to sugar cookies during Christmas? Gingerbread, chocolate brownies, or donuts? The correct answer is gingerbread. Which spice used in Christmas dishes is good for keeping you warm in winter? Cinnamon, paprika, or mint? The right answer is cinnamon. What green vegetable is used to make wreaths or table decorations and is also healthy? Kale, spinach, or parsley? The right answer is kale. What traditional drink made with fruit is both healthy and festive? Mulled apple juice, soda, or lemonade? Mulled apple juice is the correct answer. Thank you for joining me today on Live Nourished Today. Remember, the holidays are about enjoying time with loved ones and making healthy choices that feel good. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you next time and happy holidays!